Hi, I'm Ben from 3D Filaprint, and today we're having a look at our first wood-like filament here on the channel, looking at HD PLA matte fiber from Protopasta. As an extension of the matte fiber line, it comes in a wide variety of colours, including a very soft yellow, honeywood, a deep dark walnut, and a wide variety of other wood-like colours. Even though these filaments are based on woods, Protopasta have added small pearl gold and black flecks to the filament to give it a stronger visual texture. Unlike other brands' wood-like filaments, Protopasta does not require any specialist hardware, such as anything greater than a 0.4mm nozzle that is standard on most printers. So you're able to print between regular materials like PLA and ABS and back to the wood-like without having to do any faff of changing around nozzles or anything like that. This filament comes in a wide variety of colours, including mahogany, a darker burgundy with a nice rough sheen. Mahogany is more red than chestnut and lighter than walnut. Honeywood, a more pale orange than the others. Walnut, the darkest filament we are showing today, is great when you need a dark brown. And chestnut, a less dark alternative to walnut, while still offering a more serious tone. A great benefit of Protopasta's wood-like filament is the rough and unique surface finish you get on the finished prints, with individual layers being very hard to distinguish and impossible to feel. This means that it doesn't even seem to be a 3D printed object at first glance. This filament is great for whenever you need something like a plant pot or any sort of wood-like object. We printed our demos today on our FlashForge Inventor 2 at a temperature of 205 Celsius without a heated bed. But if you need better adhesion, a heated bed can work for you. Please note, this filament will absorb moisture like actual wood and needs to be kept in a sealed bag with silica gel when not in use. It is recommended to print this filament at the lowest possible temperature, which will just stop jamming, over-extrusion and stringing. It should also be of note that filament will not easily bend. You need to make sure there's no kinks or sharp turns within the feed of the filament into the printer, otherwise it will snap. This filament and the various colours are available in 1.75mm in the links in the description. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, and if you want to see more interesting filaments such as these flexibles we have an upcoming video on, make sure to subscribe. If you're interested in other 3D printing things, we also post on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, so make sure you follow us there.
Cool.